Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Here's our first alternate project using elements from the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what I've done is I wanted to do a slightly more masculine card. So I've got one of the white card bases from the kit. And the reason I'm using the white card base from the kit is because the whites match here. If I used a basic white, the whites are very different. This is more of a gray white, so I used the card base from the kit and then my whites match. What I did do is I took one of the envelopes and I cut it down to 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 because this piece is 5 1/4 by 4. So I wanted to put this in behind and then mount everything on. So I've taken a piece of Night of Navy ribbon, and I'm going to stamp the Enjoy Your Day on the back of one of these pieces. Again, our whites are going to match. The stitched piece still shows through and doesn't look like it's the wrong side. So I'm just going to stamp the Enjoy Your Day in Night of Navy like that. That's perfect. And then I'm going to just put the card together. So I'm going to grab my Stampin' Seal for this. Okay, and then this again, really narrow borders because it's 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 going on to a 5 1/4 by 4. No, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 piece. This is our 5 1/4 by 4. So I'm just going to add adhesive in some strategic places here, just so that we can get good adhesion to the front of the card. You could absolutely dimensionalize this if you wanted to. If you wanted this to stand up just a little bit, you absolutely can do that. Again, all these cards that I do are just guidelines. You can do whatever you like. So I'm just going to pop this down. I need to come over just a skinny bit more. There we go. All right. So let's give that a good press down. And there we've got our card base. So then I'm going to put some adhesive across the back of this piece. So actually the only thing I'm adding in to this kit is the Night of Navy ink and the Night of Navy ribbon. So that's going to go like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the circle. And because everything else is flat, I don't have to worry about anything going wonky with the dimensionals. So I'm just going to put this down, trying to decide. I think I'm just going to put it right here and make sure that I'm straight. We've got Enjoy Your Day. So this could work for anybody, but I wanted to do a more kind of masculine take from the kit. So thank you so much for watching this alternative and stay tuned for more.